Questions 4 and 5 refer to the following information. The table shows the results of a survey about favorite types of movies. So along the x-axis, you have the different types of movies. And along the y-axis, you have age groups. So X is across, Y is vertical, so you have age groups. And then we have lots of numbers in this table. Number 4, which fraction represents the probability that a randomly selected person is 20 to 24 years old and identified comedy as the favorite type of movie? So we are interested in all the people in this survey, and it has already figured for me that the total number of people in this survey is 280. So that's going to be the denominator. And if you can figure out that part, you have figured out that it has to be D, as in dog. Now, I'm not sure that all of the questions would be that easy to spot, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it. But if you can figure out in this one that the total is 280, you have your answer, because that's the only one with 280 on the bottom. Now, there is always the possibility that the fraction has been reduced. So I would not use that shortcut. I would finish the problem. But it's looking like it's going to be D as in Delta. Okay, so there are 280 total people. Of those, how many are 20 to 24 years old? So we need this row. And said comedy is their favorite. So we look in that row, we find the comedy cell. And that did not work the way I thought it would. Let me get a different color. The comedy cell is going to be right here. So I'm going to say 15 people fit that description. So 15 out of 280, and they chose not to reduce it. That is going to be your final answer. And if you notice, all of the choices have the 15 on top. It's that total that folks may have trouble finding, and that's right here. Total number of people.